Let's see what happens. I'm gonna floor it. You guys see that? You heard that? What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, back at you guys with another Shepherd-filled video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys that I finally rebuilt the Crown Victoria. Like I told you guys before, it wasn't going to be 100% like it was before I decided to go crazy. I lost my mind and I tore it down. But for the most part, man, it actually looks pretty close to how it was. As you guys can see, I removed the front push bar. I got hundreds of messages when I posted on that last video that I was going to sell it. Sadly, it is sold already. Everything sold within like the first 2 days. The window bars, the push bar. Anyways, the point of this video is I wanted to show you guys the Crown Vic is finally rebuilt. I mean, there's no gaps or anything in between the bumpers. As we come and make our way to the back here, I removed the giant antenna that it was back. I left that puck there. I took out the back bike rack. Mother-in-law gave me that, so I added that. But anyways, this is the current state of the Crown Victoria. As you guys have noticed, it is missing a headlight because the header panel right here, as you guys can see, it was broken. There was a giant hole there, so instead I got an old light and just fixed that there. So there is... that way there isn't like a gaping hole when you look at the Crown Vic. It kind of looks somewhat, it's a lot better than having that gaping hole, trust me. But the point of today's video obviously was to show you guys that the Crown Vic was finally rebuilt compared to what it was when you guys last saw it. But this thing that I'm holding right here, the mass airflow sensor, it's been acting up. Now I consider this a perfect learning opportunity for you guys. As you guys can see, I did have a custom intake that I kind of made myself. I kind of worked myself. And these cars right here, I believe it's 2005 and up, or 2006, I forgot. It's been a while. They have the electronic throttle control. As you guys can see, the other ones have the cable, which means that you can pretty much put whatever kind of intake you want. But these freaking electronic throttle control, the Crown Vics, they're very sensitive. Without boring you guys, pretty much the communication between the mass airflow sensor and that stupid electronic throttle control, it needs to be perfect. There can't be any kind of like vortex or any kind of extra air or anything like that going into the car, because it will freak out the mass airflow sensor. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back together and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Maybe you might experience this with your Crown Vic as well, and I actually found the solution for it. Hopefully, I actually cleaned this out. Hopefully cleaning this fixed it. If not, I'm gonna have to go to a junkyard and get a stock air intake system with the box as well for the Crown Vic. And if I can't find one at a junkyard, then I'm just gonna go K&N all the way. Okay, so this might be a little bit ghetto actually, but I just had an epiphany while I'm reinstalling this air filter. I realized that after I took out the stock air box, this entire air filter right here was drooping. It was literally almost down here. Let me give you guys a better shot. It was like all the way down here. So for now, yes, like I said, I kind of ghetto rigged it. I got some zip ties and all that going on. If it happens to fix the problem, I think what was happening was there was some sort of air vortex or something me created down here, because it was causing this to flex too much at the bottom. I think we can kind of keep it right around here. Hopefully this doesn't slip off while we're driving. And if it happens to fix the problem, then I'll build a bracket right here that'll kind of support this thing up. But let's go ahead and crank this up. I'm going to turn it on. We're going to do a couple pulls. And if the problem persists, then you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. If the problem gets fixed, you literally will just witness it in this video. So let's go ahead and go for a ride. Actually, before we do any test driving, I gotta see something. I want to make sure that that air filter during hard acceleration isn't going to come off. So I've entrusted the help of Junior over here, and he's going to go ahead and rev up the Crown Vic a little bit and see if that contraction that I made will actually hold up. All right, so he's ready to rev it up. When I give him the signal, let's go ahead and come over here and check out this intake. All right, whenever you're ready. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. It works perfect, man. Good job.
One more rev?
Nah, go get out of here. All right, guys, so as I get ready to do the couple test hits here, pretty much what happens is from a dead stop, whenever I accelerate the Crown Vic full hard, like just full throttle wide open type of shiznit, it'll start stalling out. It'll start idling weird, and it'll like choke out like if it wants to die, and that's because of that mass airflow sensor. It's a very common problem with these 4.6 liters. But I just wanted to bring you guys along for the ride so you can witness it live. So I'm just gonna make my way down my driveway. Oh my God. And I'll catch you guys when we start doing the pulls. I think I decided what I'm gonna do with this Crown Victoria is I'm gonna just turn it into a race car, period. I think first I'm gonna go with a track rat. I'm just gonna track it. I'm just gonna track the hell out of this thing. Not drag race, I'm talking about actual circuit racing and stuff like that until that 4.6 liter dies. After that 4.6 liter dies, boys, I got a surprise for you. You guys just stay tuned because this is gonna get turned to a drag car, and you guys are not gonna wanna miss that. So here we go. I'm gonna take it from a stop. All right, here we go, guys. Make sure nobody's behind me. All right, here we go. You see that? It didn't want to go all the way. It wanted to starve out right at the very end. We're gonna go ahead and turn around and see what we can do. Here we go. Actually, I'm gonna gun it. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna floor it. You guys see that? You heard that? I think it's registering too much air. I'm gonna have to go back to stock intake on this thing. I'm gonna try to floor it one more time. Watch. See? It won't redline. It won't go past 4,000 RPM. God damn it. I think the problem is there's too much air going in for the stock mass airflow sensor to handle. It's redlining at 4,000. It's not going all the way to 5. Or yeah, that's where it's supposed to redline. At 6 actually. It's supposed to redline at 6. Here, we'll do one more stomp. Straight out stomp to the floor. Now it wants to do it. What the hell? So now it wants to go all the way to the floor. You saw that? You guys are witnessing this firsthand. It's pretty much just confused. It doesn't know what it wants to do. All right, I want you guys to see this now. Watch the idling on it. Watch. Watch. Look at it. It wants to die on me. Now watch what happens when I try to accelerate. Keep an eye on everything. Here we go. Backfiring a lot, it's popping a lot. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below what's going on. Do you think it's the entire intake issue? It's that mass airflow sensor? Should I go to just the stock intake? All right, here we go. We're gonna do one more stop still takeoff. Here we go. Let's keep an eye on these gauges. So now it wants to go all the way to 6,000. I don't get it. You guys saw it firsthand. That's why I brought you guys along. You saw it firsthand. It was just revving out at 4,000, and now it's good. I don't get it. What the hell's going on? Should I put 93 octane on it? Says it's probably taking in more air from that air filter. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section down below. Either way, I'm gonna go back home before all my neighbors call the cops on me. For all the loud noise around here, they ain't used to seeing such a thing. Either way, I'll catch you guys in the next one.